Hey, in this video, I will show you how to get voice effects on TikTok on any iPhone and on any Android device in 2021. It's actually a very simple tutorial that you can do. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13K subscribers, which is pretty cool. I'm really grateful for that. And also comment down below if you have any questions while you're watching this video. I would love to help you out. And comment your country down below because I'm curious where you guys and girls are from. So to actually get voice effects on TikTok, first thing you want to do is just record a TikTok of yourself and your voice. For example, let me record a 3-second or longer TikTok. Just click on the check mark on the right, and now after that loads up, when you go on the right, you have voice effects. You sometimes need to click on the arrow to have a little bit more options, but one of the first three options should be voice effects. You want to click on voice effects after that, and from here you can choose a lot of effects. It would take a few seconds to load on the screen as well, but you can basically choose chipmunk, baritone, microphone, megaphone, robot, battery, shake, electronic, echo, so many options, and it's very easy. You just gotta click on it, it will download it, and it will change it for you. So if you want to do reaction videos without anyone noticing it or something like this, you can do it very simple, in a very simple way with TikTok. As I said, I really hope this video helps you out because I'm uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week. Give me a like because each like will get us a few more views. And also, if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section. We try to get back to every single comment. I want to see you in one of the next videos.